Good afternoon. It is May 22nd, 2024. We are at Thessaloniki. This is an abandoned stone quarry. It's been abandoned for the last, 50, 75 years. It's a scar on the face of the earth, and it's a shame for the city to have it like this. A few months ago in February, we came in to explore, to see what we can do. We transplanted some cypress trees, bare roots, over there, and none of them survived. They're all yellow. A few of the holy oaks have survived, have sprouted. We don't know if they're going to make it through the summer. We have planted them on the slope, on the side of the pathway here. They have sloped gravel, so this is where we put them, and we should try again and again. The holy oaks are known for surviving in dry conditions, and they have the ability to penetrate rocky conditions, rocky slopes. So this is what we have. I am encouraged. It's always nice to see them growing, and I'm hoping for the best. Thank you for listening.